National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Hoosic River at Williamstown from late tonight until Sunday morning. At 8 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 8.1 feet. Flood stage is 9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 1 a.m. Sunday and crest near 9 feet around 1 a.m. Sunday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 1 a.m. Sunday. Impact at 9 feet. Water overflows into Lillens. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Hoosic River at Williamstown.